My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Ford Grand C-Max. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it comes with 7 seats in total. And as we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a sliding door for easy entry. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, emergency assistance, and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as a keyless ignition. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.